Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to hide chat in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide chat in Viber, first open up your Viber app guys. And after opening your Viber app guys, open the chat box of the person which you want to hide on Viber. And after opening their chat box guys, you can see their name at the top of the screen. Tap on the name at the top of the screen over here guys, at the top, and this kind of panel will appear where you'll be required to scroll down and you will find hide this chat option available for us just below the block this contact option. Tap on hide this chat, and you can see guys where it says if you enter a 4-digit pin, enter your 4-digit pin over here which you want to use to hide a chat on Viber. And you might want to also reconfirm it. With that being done guys, your chat will be hidden on Viber. You can also do it from over here. You can see if you tap and hold on the chat box, the hide chat button will be available. Tap on hide chat. You can see enter your code over here and that chat will be hidden. Now in order to find that hidden chat guys, you will be required to search for that code over here on Viber. And the moment you search for the code which you had used to hide the Viber chat, they will be over here available for us. And then guys, this is how to hide chat in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.